how to manage our time. So we being females, mothers, household homemakers, we already have a lot of things going on in terms of time. घर भी देखना है, इन लॉज को भी देखना है, पेरेंट्स को भी देखना है, बच्चों को भी देखना है, ग्रोसरी भी देखनी है. So how to manage time effectively to be able to do that? Today I'll share you 3 powerful tips. Please note down all these things. Number 1 that I learned from my mentors is you must schedule your priorities instead of going by your schedule. Usually क्या होता है? We wake up, we have our kids to take care of. We wake up, फिर उसके बाद हमें उनका डब्बा बनाना होता है, हस्बैंड को टिफिन देना होता है, घर देखना होता है, मेड्स देखनी होती हैं. Then we have school pickup time, and then शाम को हमें क्लासेस ले जाना होता है. So we, get stuck in the routine doing those same things again and again and again. What I really mean by scheduling your priorities is simply this. So you decide what are your top 5 priorities. For me, example, my health is my priority. So for 30 minutes, I need to exercise every day. My number 2 priorities is that I need to give 2 hours with my kids for helping them do their homework, for building a new skill. Number 3 priority is I need to give at least 2 hours every day for my business. Okay. Number 4 priority is that I need my me time also. Okay. I need some free relaxed time where I want to pursue my hobby or I just want to breathe. Okay. So if these are my 4 priorities, I decide how to do this during particular time of the day. So for exercise, I either decide या तो सुबह करना है या शाम करना है आधा घंटा. For my business, I've already blocked 11 to 1 a.m. p.m. in the afternoon. I'll do that. For my kids, I have decided 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I'll sit with them, help them in their homework or their skills or any other activity or play that they want to do. Likewise, you also need to first fit your priorities in your day. Okay, and rest everything. Mother-in-law, helping others, maids, grocery, everything can then fall into the remaining time slots. That is what is meant by scheduling your priorities. Got it? Type GI in the chat box if you're getting what I'm saying. Another powerful way to safeguard your time is no phone in the morning hours. Now tell me, my friends, how many of you have a habit of first thing in the morning you pick up your phone, you check कोई missed call तो नहीं हो गया, कोई message आया क्या, किसी ने कुछ कहा क्या, you go to your social media. Yes, so we all tend to do that somewhere or the other. Now I'll tell you one thing, morning hour is absolutely high focus time. Like I told you, to write your intention every day in the morning. Similarly, guard this time with all that you have got. Protect this morning first half an hour. What happens in the phone is आजकल तो पूरी दुनिया ही phone में, social media, relatives, everything is in the phone. When you go there, it sucks your energy, this high focus energy. So use it mindfully to put it into focus, to setting an intention of the day, to doing your most highly productive task of the day in the morning. You will see how differently your day goes when you don't look into your phone for the first half an hour. थोड़ा मुश्किल है अगर आप ये करते आते हो तो, because it's become a habit, but just for that half an hour, safeguard your energy and you will see how much more energy you have during the day. Another tip for me for your time is learn to say no. What do I mean by that? Learn saying no. A lot of time it happens that everything anytime happens, we say yes to it. मेरे साथ भी होता था पहले कि अर्पिता तो घर पर है, she is not going for a job 12 hours, so she can take care of everything. Kid is falling sick, अर्पिता है. नल ठीक कराना है, अर्पिता है. Suddenly कोई गेस्ट आ गया, अर्पिता तो है. Mother-in-law ने बोला, they stay nearby. I have guests arriving at my home, so you come and help me. Evening में, अर्पिता तो घर पर है. So if she is at home, she can take care of all the crises and here and there things are propping up. Now when I do that, I used to say yes to all of those things. But I realized in doing that, मुझे अपनी growth के लिए तो time ही नहीं मिल रहा है, which is so important. We all know that बस 2 घंटे भी अगर हमने अपनी growth के लिए दे दिए, with focus, we can achieve a lot in life. But हम वो 2 घंटे भी नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, just by saying yes to all of these things that keep coming up. So learn the art to say diplomatically no. So my mother-in-law called me ki you come to me for helping me. Now if that is an affair which is, once in a while, and I feel that I should help her, I'll go and do it. But if it's an everyday affair, how to communicate to her respectfully that I can't do it, I can't say कि मेरे को exercise करनी होती है शाम को वो time पे I can't come. So how to respectfully communicate? So I went to them, I told them, see, I get only half an hour to work on my body to exercise. And if I don't exercise, I fall sick more often. I feel very low in energy. And I get only that much time to do that. Because rest of the time, I'm taking care of other household responsibilities. So, if you can just let me do that in that time, rest of the time, I'll try my best to help you. So, respectfully, also, you can communicate by saying no. So, communication is a skill that you have to learn bit by bit by bit.